What's up guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to edit your homepage in WordPress using Elementor. So right away we're going to be going over to the left sidebar and clicking on pages. However, when you hover over pages, you can see all pages or add new page. So you have the option to click on pages or click on all pages. Under all pages, you can see all the pages we have for our website. Now because we're editing our homepage, we're going to go over to home, and when we hover over it, we have edit and edit with Elementor. Because this is what we want to do, we're going to click on it. And now we're in our homepage. On the left side, you can see all the Elementor tools you can use to edit your homepage. Now, depending on the type of Elementor you're using, you might have access to the paid tools. For example, when you scroll down, you can see under Pro, you have the search bar, the posts, portfolio, menu, form, and other tools that make your website awesome. Now, if you're on the Pro version of Elementor, you will have all of this available for you to use. When you scroll down, you have some other options. Now, if you notice between the Pro version and the free one, you can see the padlock option here, which means it's locked only to the Pro version. Now, when you go over to the general, you have other options here which you can use. When we collapse the general, we can see the link in bio, where you get to put in your links, services, and things like that. So we can close this because it has the padlock, meaning it's only for the Pro. As always, if you'd like to upgrade, you can go down here to upgrade now or come over here to upgrade. You have some other options here, which you can use to edit your homepage. Now, when we go to the top, we have the option to add maps. For example, we want to add a map, we're going to click on it. And when we click on it, you're going to select the location. You can change the location by clicking on it and editing it. And you also have the option for dynamic tags. Here you have the Jet Engine plugin, which you can use if you want. So right now we have the London Eye in London, United Kingdom. So if you're okay with this, you can go over to the top where you have the content and then switch over to style and advanced, where you can make some other settings. In due time, you can see how quickly you have the map added into your homepage. And when you're satisfied with that, you can go over to the three dashes there and click on it and click back again. And then you come back to where you have all the other tools. As you can see, we have the map here and we have our picture, which we already added. And the same way we added the map, we also added the picture before. We can choose to delete the container and add the image again. As we mentioned earlier, if you want to have more options to edit your homepage, you would have to use the Pro to use Elementor. So if you have the Pro ready, you can go ahead and place them according to your preference. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to edit your homepage in WordPress using Elementor.